Today we're gonna play a slime ruffle.
Yay!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Who wants to go first?
Me!
Okay. Choose your number. Okay, open it.
Salad? What is that?
Okay, show us your number.
7.
Number 7.
Where is...
Fine, where is number 7? The big one! It's a super stretchy slime.
Oh.
Gooey fun.
I don't know. Get your slime out. Whoa.
Wow.
How stretchy.
Oh. It's really stretchy.
Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Wow. Can I do that?
And that color is amazing.
I'm doing pizza. I can make a pancake. Ah! I am the slime person. Wah! Come on, come on. What would you like to choose?
Pick one.
16.
16. Where is 16? Whoa, you got 2 slimes. Lucky you.
You get this slime.
You will share with your sister?
Alex, I
That's nice.
because it's black here. Whoa. Hey, come on. Yay. Gaby
It looks a bit sticky, you know?
I got teeth.
Take a sticker.
9.
Number 9.
She
Wow.
thinks this is a 6.
It's a twist slime. Looks pretty.
It's a little bit dirty.
Oh, yeah. Coming out. Woo!
I
It's
love
not
it.
that stretchy.
It's clean.
And clean hands. That's good.
Ah! Oh. It's all down. I love it. It's somewhere in the pink. I want to get it.
Show us.
it's this 13.
13. Wow.
Wow.
It's a bubble slime.
Can I help you?
Oh, this one is stretchy. Wow. Oh, that is a bubble.
I can't do it?
Okay, guys, are you ready for the next round?
Yeah. Number 4.
Number 4.
Ooh. Ooh. I got these beads here.
So, this is a unicorn slime.
That's multicolored.
And it comes with little rainbow balls. Wow. Oh, those colors are so pretty.
Yeah.
Wow, this one is really stretchy.
Yes. I like this pink one. I got a piece of yucky. Look. I'm so excited.
So
for
now
this
we're gonna
one.
add some rainbow balls.
Oh, so many
Oh,
balls.
that is so cute.
We have to mix it out. Wow. Oh, it's fell down. Ah.
And later on, we're gonna mix all slimes together.
Yeah. My turn.
Okay. Choose your number.
One.
Number 1.
You like it.
This is a fluffy slime.
I
Oh,
think
and
so.
color. Look at this color. It's so bright yellow.
It's so big.
Big and fluffy.
Oh. Wow. Oh. It's stretchy. It's stretchy too. Look, I think it's it's bouncing. Oh. It
Show
ran away
us.
from us. Oh.
And you got 3 buckets of slime.
Oh, them.
Look at this, the slimy horror. Ooh.
Oh.
Wow, the pink
I
one is
can-
so pretty.
I can make a bubble. Mine is, look, it is slime. It's
Oh, those are cute. Gaby, show us the horror slime.
Spiders.
Little spiders.
Oh.
Ooh.
It's, I think. Orbeez.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
17.
17.
This?
Ooh.
Slime.
You got a surprise toy inside.
Unicorn.
Unicorn,
Toy.
yeah.
Oh. What is that?
Coming
down.
Wow.
I
I've
will
never
make a
seen slime like this before.
I will make a pancake of it. Oh.
You got 2 of them. Wow.
1, 2, 3. Cool.
It's really stretchy.
It broke.
Alex, your turn.
Yes.
Oh, 10.
Can I have it?
You got 2. And it's called a galaxy slime.
It's a galaxy slime?
Yeah.
Wow. What? It's not.
It is not that stretchy.
I don't like this one.
Let's do next one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And show us your number.
8. Don't need that?
You got the fruity one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
And it's stretchy. That's nice.
Yeah, that is really nice.
It's not that sticky. That's good. Okay, guys, we only have 2 slimes left. Choose each one and open it together.
Look.
Look, there is a froggy. Stretchy froggy.
Froggy going in the house.
So, guys, are you ready to mix all slimes together?
Yes!
Whoa! Okay, let's do some mixing.
Oh, the T-ball. Where are we gonna put it? Oh! It's really stretchy. Okay. Let's take it all together. Oh no. Whoa. Let's mix it like that.
Are you crazy?
Oh, it's all ready now. Whee!